Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're covering the advanced card macro. If you want your Confluence pages to feel more like a modern dashboard, with clickable cards instead of long link lists, this macro is the upgrade. You can build a grid with up to 5 columns, control image placement, customize colors per card, and make each card navigate to a Confluence page or an external link. Most Confluence navigation is still done with paragraphs of links. It works, but it's hard to scan, and it doesn't visually guide users. On hub pages, onboarding, SOPs, project portals, users need clear entry points. Advanced Card gives you 2 levels of control: grid settings and card settings. Grid settings for the whole layout. Columns from 1 to 5. Image position, top, left, right, or none. Text alignment, left, center, or right. Card settings for each individual card. Title and description, optional image upload, per card background and text colors. Destination, search page or add link. Optional, open a new tab.
Step 1. Insert the macro. Open the page and click Edit. Click Insert // search Advanced Card and insert it. You'll see a live preview on the left and the editor on the right.
Step 2. Set layout and design. In all cards, choose the number of columns, up to 5. Then choose image position, top, left, right, or none. And set text alignment to match your page style.
Step 3. Add cards and select one. In the preview, click Add Card to create more cards. To edit one, click the card in the preview. It becomes selected, and the editor switches to Selected Card.
Step 4. Customize the selected card. Add the card title and content. Upload an image. It saves as a Confluence attachment, and you can replace or remove it anytime. In behavior, choose the destination. Search page to link to a Confluence page or add link for an external URL. Optionally enable, open in a new tab. Finally, in appearance, set the card's background and text color using presets, recent colors, or the color picker. Click Save and Publish. Now you have a clean grid of clickable cards. Users can instantly choose the next step without scanning link lists. That's it for the Advanced Card macro. See you in the next video.